Greetings and welcome to the video. How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Vermont, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Vermont, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. There is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all informations about cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrency news, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with your credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and articles. Yes, firstly we should go this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can get information about important cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Litecoin, Binance Coin, and others. It's so easy. Now, first we need information about Bitcoin. We should click this button, Information. In this page, we can get information about Bitcoin, Binance, commission kickback codes. Now, how to buy Bitcoin in Vermont, United States. Just one click, get BTC. Let's go.